Working with Pavan Garu, Chala Chala Boundi. This is the first time that I'm working with him, and I've been obviously wanting to work with him since a very long time. And I'm glad that I'm working with him on this particular film. I love my role. I love the fact that we have such amazing scenes, and it's just a lot of fun. And he is, of course, a fabulous actor, but more than that, he's a wonderful human being with whatever interaction I've had with him. And it's been great working with him, and it's been lovely knowing him. I remember Bobby Garu from Mr. Perfect Days, and I think he's come a really long way. And I'm really happy for him. I'm really happy to be working with him in this particular film. And it's been great. It's a lovely experience. Sharad Garu is a really nice person, and it's been wonderful interacting with him. Perfect producer. We've been very comfortable in Baroda. We've been very well looked after. And I think he's just a really nice person who just makes all his artists and his technicians very comfortable. Urvashi ma'am is someone who is, of course, I've always looked up to her, and she plays my Mausi in this film. She is, of course, a wonderful actress, and more than that, the camaraderie that we developed and we share is wonderful. And I really feel like she's related to me through all the scenes that we've had so far. And it's been very natural, very spontaneous, and a lot of fun. Working with Mukesh Rishi Garu, I've known him from a very long time now. And he is one of my favorite people to work with. He is just so much fun, and he gives that very fatherly vibe. So it perfectly works for his and my relationship in the film. And he has that whole affectionate, fatherly, protectiveness vibe on screen as well as off screen. Brahmanandam Garu's character is wonderful, and as usual, he is a complete riot in this movie as well. And it's been really nice working with him through all the scenes. And of course, it's very, very hard to control your laughter when he's right there in front of you. It's very hard to focus on what you're doing because he just cracks you up.